a fully personalized listening experience from wireless headphones. We'll show you how to get it next on HiDEF Lifestyle. Hi, I'm Liam with HiDEF Lifestyle. You know, our hearing is just as unique as our vision. What sounds one way to one person may sound completely different to the next. And over time, our ears naturally evolve, changing the way we experience music and sounds. Sennheiser has recognized this phenomenon, and that's why they introduced the RS-195 headphones. Going beyond simple volume control, Sennheiser refined its already amazing technology to allow listeners to dial in their preferred listening settings with ease. As you can see on the bass unit, there are a couple of adjustment points. The top dial, which is labeled A through G, are 7 distinct sound profiles for you to choose from. Below that is balance control, allowing you to adjust the volume in each ear. Towards the top of the bass unit, you will see the Boost Mode button. This will allow you to choose between speech or music mode. The Speech Boost mode reduces background noise and enhances speech intelligibility. So if you are listening to a movie or show, the dialogue won't be drowned out by music or sound effects. The Music Boost mode reproduces music with an increased dynamic range, preserving the sound no matter what format you may be listening on. And speaking of formats, on the rear of the transmitter you will see both analog and digital inputs with the option of toggling. You can also cycle through the different modes on the headphones themselves. On the right ear cup, you can adjust your modes as well as volume. The RS-195s not only deliver an excellent range in sound, but distance as well. Sennheiser uses innovative digital wireless transmission technology that provides a clear signal up to 100 meters. Combining quality with comfort, these headphones have an ergonomic design to fit the listener's head perfectly. Combine that with the soft foam padding over the ears and across the headband, and you can listen for hours in pure comfort. As I mentioned earlier, the RS-195s have 7 different sound profiles. To help illustrate this a little better, I'm going to play some music through the headphones while cycling through all 7 profiles. And let's hear something with some dialogue to give you a better idea of the speech mode.
Get those stones as far away as possible! No! We need to get them back where they came from.
No way to get them back. Thanos destroyed the quantum tunnel.
Hold on! That wasn't our only time machine. Anyone see an ugly brown van out there?
I've been listening to Sennheiser headphones for over 20 years now, and the RS-195s have got to be my favorite pair to date. Their combination of comfort and adjustability give me an absolutely phenomenal listening experience no matter what it is I may be listening to. If you're interested in a pair, make sure you check out our website, HiDEFLifestyle.com.